In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the Adam voice in ElevenLabs. To get started, head over to ElevenLabs and sign into your account. Make sure you are on the main dashboard before moving on because that's where you will find the tools and settings you need. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait until everything is fully visible so you don't miss the correct option. Once you are signed in, open the text-to-speech tool. This is the section where you can type or paste text and then convert it into spoken audio using different available voices. If you are new to the platform, this is one of the main areas you will probably use most often, so it's good to get familiar with where it is on the dashboard. After that, look for the Voices section. You'll want to click on the Voice Selection drop-down menu. This menu is where ElevenLabs lets you choose which voice will read your text, depending on your screen size or the version of the interface you are seeing. The layout may look slightly different, but the voice selector is typically easy to spot near the text input or audio generation area. Once the drop-down menu is open, use the search bar to type in Adam. Searching is the fastest way to find a specific voice, especially if the platform offers a long list of available options. Be sure to type the name clearly so the correct result appears in the list. When you see Adam in the search results, click on the Adam voice profile to make it your active voice. After selecting it, that voice should now be set for your text-to-speech generation. At this point, you are ready to enter your text and hear it spoken using the Adam voice. As a quick tip, after selecting the voice, it's a good idea to test it with a short sentence first. That way, you can confirm the right voice is active before generating a longer audio clip. This can save time and help you make sure everything is set up the way you want, and that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.